Why, hello there. Bloody good day. My name is Bucket, and welcome to your 30-second XHTML and CSS tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed my British accent. I know I did, but anyways, in this tutorial, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to style a child selector. Now, let me give you guys a quick overview of what I mean by child. First of all, I'm not talking about a child selector, like you decided that you and your wife want to adopt a baby, so now you have to select a child. That's not what I'm talking about, not in this tutorial at least. Maybe I'll do that in the next tutorial. Hold on, let me adjust my microphone. There, that's better. So anyways, a child in terms of XHTML is a tag that's inside another tag. So for example, you see how whenever we make tags like body, they have to be within the HTML tags, or whenever we have the style tags, they have to be within the head tags. We can't have head style, head style. They have to be inside one another. So the relationship I'm talking about is this. See this head? The head is a child of HTML. So HTML would be the parent, and since head is inside, it would be the child. Body is also a child of HTML, since body is inside HTML. Style is a child of head, since style is inside head. So you can say style is the child, head is the parent. There. Now you guys should understand what I mean by a child and a parent. Now, with that being said, I'm going to show you guys how to style a child selector. For example, if you come across this problem, I want to style links, but I only want to style the ones inside paragraphs. Well, we can't just go ahead and make a style for links because that's going to apply it to all of them. In order to say, alright, we want to apply it only to the ones that are in paragraphs, we need to do something special. So let's go ahead and first and foremost make 3 different links right here. Just go ahead and put like a href equals http thenewboston.com, and now let's go ahead and just write like first or something like that. So first of all, we're just gonna have a regular link on the screen. Let's refresh this, make sure it works, and when we click it, it takes us to the greatest website ever, thenewboston.com. So anyways, let's go ahead and make 2 more. So first and foremost, we have a regular link on the screen, nothing special. So now let's go ahead and make a paragraph, pp. Oh man, I cracked myself up. And now let's go ahead and put this link inside pp, and we'll write second. I am so immature, it is ridiculous. These are the most unprofessional tutorials you have ever seen in your life, probably, but hey, they're pretty good. So, and last, let's go ahead and put another one in a header. So now you're saying, alright, I have these 3 links, and I want, oh yeah, gotta probably do this, third. So first, second, and third. So here's what they look like. The first one is just regular plain old text, the second one is inside a paragraph, and the third one is inside the header. So right now they all look the same, and you're saying, alright, I want to style only the links that are inside paragraph tags. So I want to style basically only these. So in order to do that, like I said, we can't just go ahead and style all the links, or else it's going to style all of them. What we need to do is say this. Alright, first of all, inside the paragraph tags, I want to style all the links. Now, let me, kind of put this in other terms. You're saying, alright, A is pretty much, alright, all children A with a parent of P, or basically all link tags inside paragraphs, I'm going to go ahead and style those. And you use this with the greater than sign. So greater than sign pretty much means relationship. Whenever A, aka link, has a parent of P, aka paragraph, I want to style you. So now let's go ahead and apply some styles. Let's go ahead and put color red, and maybe put like font size 30 pixels. Not that, what's a lowercase o? Embarrassing. So let me go ahead and add this last semicolon, refresh, and see what we got. Check it out. Now CSS went through, looked for all the links that were inside the paragraph. Is this link inside a paragraph? Nope. Is this link inside a paragraph? Yep. So I'm going to style this one. Is this link inside a paragraph? No, it's inside a header, so don't touch that one either. And it went ahead and applied the style to those links. So that is not only how you talk in terms of relationships, child, parents, but also how you can style pretty much not only a link but basically anything you want depending on what their parent is. And another quick bit of information I want to teach you guys. You guys are probably saying, all right, if head is the child of HTML, then does that mean style is the grandchild of HTML? Yes, it does. In technical terms, that's how it works. So HTML is the grandparent of style. So it goes grandchild, child, parent, or grandparent, grandchild, depending on what you're referencing. That has nothing to do with this tutorial, but, I got a couple extra minutes. Might as well give you a nice little tidbit of information. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out my website, and I'll see you next video.